Energy. Your way of life depends on it. The bad news, it's running out.
The lights are going to go out. The impact on society could be immense.
The good news, it's being replaced by Mother Nature, harnessed in new ways. The power of wind.
It is clean, it is green, it is the way of the future.
From the moons of Jupiter, a miracle fuel.
This is going to power the planet.
Found here on Earth, at the bottom of the sea. A city run by tides.
We could make New York City the world's largest renewable energy city.
A power surge triggered by the moon. But one power source that outshines them all.
We are taking the power source of the sun.
How a bathtub of water could run your life.
In a world that's hungry for energy, we need all the energy sources that we have.
In a lab in College Station, Texas, lies the best-kept secret in the energy world. A fuel detected in outer space, but only recently found on Earth.
What we're looking at is one of the most concentrated forms of energy that exists on planet Earth. It's the bridge to the future. This is gas hydrate. When we run out of conventional oil and gas, this is going to power the planet.
Gas hydrate is frozen methane. It abounds on the moons of Jupiter. Scientists estimate our own planet holds more reserves of gas hydrate than coal, oil, or gas put together. The trick is finding them. Roger Sasson is mounting an expedition to hunt for the mother lode of gas hydrates. The best place to look is deep underwater, where the pressure and temperatures are extreme. Such conditions can be found 100 miles off the coast of New Orleans, over half a mile down at the bottom of the Gulf of Mexico.
This is a tricky mission. The submersible is good to 3,000 feet. We're diving right at 2,900 and change. There are dangers involved. There is the possibility of entrapment on the bottom. The submarine can get tangled in any piece of gear that's down there that we know about and some that we don't know about. Roger that. All right, Alan, let me know when you get a seal. We have a seal.
Roger. Lines are clear. Position to drive. George, out of gear, please.
We're diving.
It takes 40 minutes to descend half a mile to the bottom. The sub has only 3 hours of battery power.
100 feet.
Their destination is nearly 3 times as deep as the most advanced scuba technology can go.
The whole key for us is finding that sweet spot. Outside the sphere at this point, you would just collapse in on yourself like a bag of hamburger meat.
We're 75 feet off the bottom.
And now we're going to pan downward. There's the bottom. In all probability, no one else has ever seen this with their own eyes before.
Okay, we're on the bottom. Our depth is 2,900 feet, 2900.
The sea floor in the Gulf of Mexico is broken by thousands of small fault lines. These fissures make it one of the few places on Earth where gas hydrates seep from the Earth's crust. At this point, finding a gas vent is a matter of following the clues.
There's some crabs, lots of crabs, that are hiding in the light.
Crabs and other creatures are drawn to gas vents to feed.
It's getting interesting at this point.
They're getting close.
Oh, here's the gas bubbles, look. See those bubbles going up?
Okay, we've got an active gas vent.
Deep in the Earth's crust, life from the age of dinosaurs was crushed and cooked. This gas is all that's left. Roger launches a crucial experiment.
We're putting the core tube into the stream of gas bubbles. See it?
If he can collect the gas bubbles here, they might turn into gas hydrate. It's working. Trapped under this extreme pressure and temperature, the gas transforms into an ice-like substance, pure gas hydrate.
That is the world's future source of energy when we run out of gas and oil.
Where there's a vent, outcrops of gas hydrate must be nearby.
Oh, there's some rock. There's some carbonate rocks. See that? See those white things? That's what we're looking at. It's a huge chunk of gas hydrate.
This is what they came for, the largest concentration of gas hydrate ever found on Earth. Beneath the layer of mud is a freak of chemistry. Hydrates are molecules of gas trapped inside molecules of water. They're compressed 160 times smaller than they would be at the surface. The area around the submarine could power a medium-sized city for a year. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. In the Gulf of Mexico, there could be enough energy to power the entire US for 2,000 years. Some scientists estimate that there is enough gas hydrate on Earth to power the human race for 3,000 years.